Kitang tanan ni shine radiantly more than ever this September. Ug before nato biyaan ang shimmering September, atong balikan ang mga panghitabo karong katapusang semana sa Septembre. Ang Build to Last Barbie Almalbis concert ang nag-goodbye sa Septembre with a rocking smash. Usa ka to kalingaw nga time nga puno sa music tanan alang sa launching sa Build to Last, The Completion. Usa ka proyekto nga alang sa next generation. Ang Making Disciples 1.0 nagbilin og more sparkling marks sa bulan sa Septembre. A great number of men and women ang nakat-on about sa principles of discipleship ug mas excited pa gyud nga makat-on og dugang kung unsaon to be effective sa pag-share sa ilang faith ug pag-minister sa uban. See you at the next class this October 5. A cool breeze of renewed energy is just around the corner with the upcoming month of October. Let the presence of God amp your spirit like never before and bring Him all the praises on our worship night this October 3. Be part of something big, something bigger than ourselves, something that will impact the next generation, something that lasts. Build to last, the completion. Fill out the pledge card for the Victory Cebu Building Project Phase 2.
I want to help build kids' church because I believe in the next generation.
I believe in the next generation.
Because I believe in the next generation.
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 Because I believe in the next generation.
I believe in the next generation.
We believe in the next generation.
Together, let us build to last. Honor God, make disciples.